Welcome to Crypto Corner, the video podcast where we talk everything crypto related. It's Monday, so let's kickstart the week with the latest news breakdown. I haven't done a news recap in quite a while, so I feel it's way overdue. We have news today about BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, XRP, which has come out as the favorite cryptocurrency of an entire generation. Can you guess which one? Also, BitBoy, my fellow YouTuber, is in hot waters again, this time reportedly being kicked out of his channel. And RobinHood and OnlyFans are also in the news, and there's more, so let's dive into it. Alright, well, here are the hot topics right now. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has become the second largest shareholder in 4 of the top Bitcoin mining firms in the US. This is according to filings with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The news was first reported by Bitcoin News and then has been confirmed by multiple other sources. BlackRock's investment in Bitcoin mining companies amounts to nearly $400 million, according to the SEC filing. The investment is spread across a number of BlackRock's mutual funds and exchange-traded funds ETFs, such as its iShares Russell 2000 ETF. Now, while many in the crypto space are eagerly awaiting the approval of a Bitcoin ETF proposal by BlackRock, the question remains, should we welcome institutional investors of that magnitude in crypto? Surely they want a piece of the pie, but crypto was in fact invented to oppose and challenge traditional finance. So why is everyone so happy to see it being hijacked by the very institutions that we were supposed to be fighting against? I know that many people are happy to see Bitcoin go up, but I guess this is the topic of another video. Alright, moving on to BitBoy Crypto, that used to be the most popular channel on YouTube, and its founder, Ben Armstrong, is now in hot waters. Reports came that Ben has been kicked out of his channel and the company, leaving the crypto community in speculation. The rumors of his departure from BitBoy Crypto started circulating online, and it was confirmed now that he will no longer be working with Hit Network BJ Holdings. However, the exact reason for his departure is not quite clear. It is worth noting that BitBoy Crypto has been involved in a controversy related to meme coins. In particular, the issues with fellow meme coin creator Ben.eth, who created BenCoin, who was allegedly in partnership with Ben Armstrong. That partnership ended some time ago, but a lot of damage was done to the followers of BitBoy, so this is most likely one of the main reasons for this mess. There is a secondary account that Ben is using, or at least that is linked to Ben, that says the following: "This is Ben. TJ Shed and Justin Williams have attempted a coup at my company. Just confirming what is going around. It's true. There has been a mutiny at BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network, but it won't work. They have no leverage. Until they can clone me, I have nothing to worry about." Well, with AI, that is also possible, Ben, so watch out. Well, the attitude and confidence of this post is telling me that this is most likely a genuine statement by Ben. This guy used to be a nerdy, sweet person when he first started, but lately, fame and money turned him into a complete tool, if you ask me. Too much arrogance. He also became very vengeful. He was taking many people to court. He was recently ordered to appear in a Florida court to address allegations that he threatened and harassed lawyers behind a class action lawsuit involving several crypto influencers. However, the lawsuit is not related to his departure from BitBoy Crypto. The saga will definitely drag on for some time, although I'm not sure I will follow it closely. Let me know if you care, and if you do, I will keep reporting on it. Alright, and another hot topic recently is that an undisclosed Bitcoin address became the third largest holder of Bitcoin, with 118,000 BTC. Speculation on crypto Twitter grew over the last week, and it has now come out that the address is linked to RobinHood, the exchange, although the company has not confirmed nor denied the ownership. According to Cointelegraph, Robinhood has accumulated $3 billion worth of Bitcoin in just 3 months. Robinhood's total cryptocurrency holdings climbed from $8.5 billion at the end of 2022 to $11.5 billion in the middle of 2023. Despite reporting solid overall profits in Q2, RobinHood announced that crypto trading revenue fell to $31 million, down 18% from the $38 million in the previous quarter. OnlyFans is also in the news related to crypto of all things. So, according to multiple sources, OnlyFans, the adult content subscription service, invested some of its profits in Ethereum, and as a result, the owner of OnlyFans has collected over $485 million in dividends so far. This was revealed as Leonid Radvinsky, the 41-year-old Ukrainian-American owner behind OnlyFans, received $1.3 million in dividends per day in 2022. He paid himself a total of $338 million in dividends over the course of 2022. Not a bad payroll, if you ask me. His net worth is now estimated to be around $2 billion according to Forbes. And in other news, JP Morgan thinks Bitcoin market bottom is near. The analysts are optimistic about Bitcoin's short-term outlook, seeing, quote, limited downside, end quote. They based their analysis on Bitcoin futures data. JP Morgan concluded that the crypto market is in a better position than it was before, and there is limited downside for crypto markets in the near term. Well, this is both bullish and bearish depending on who you ask. Some see JP Morgan as an authority in finance, while others see their analysis as a contrarian view, considering it as false signals intended to fool retail investors. Which is not without its merit, I must say. Jamie Dimon famously bashed Bitcoin back in 2017, if you remember, causing the price to plummet by 40% as a result, only to reveal that his company was in fact accumulating during that drop. According to reports, 3 former members of the Pepe coin project stole $16 million worth of funds from the project's multi-sig wallet and then handed over full control to the one remaining team member. Pepe is a meme coin that made a lot of noise earlier this year with a massive pump, but then retracted into a long bottoming, which is still ongoing. This latest incident led to another 15% drop in the price of Pepe on August 24th, amid fears of a potential rug pull. This only emphasizes why you shouldn't treat meme coins as investment, guys. Poor fundamentals, zero utility, these are tools to trade only short term. Don't hold any such coins for the medium or long term, and just don't hold them during a bear market at all. In other news, Antonio Giuliano, the founder of the decentralized exchange and cryptocurrency dYdX, has advised crypto builders to avoid serving US customers for the next 5 to 10 years due to regulatory challenges. He believes that the US regulatory environment is too uncertain and complex, and that it's not worth the hassle for crypto builders to try and navigate it. Instead, he suggests that crypto builders should focus on serving markets outside of the United States, unfortunately. Giuliano's advice is based on his own experience with dYdX, which has faced regulatory challenges in the US. He believes that the US regulatory environment is not conducive to innovation and that it is driving crypto builders away from the US. And last one for today, 20% of Gen Z investors in South Korea prefer XRP over Bitcoin or Ethereum, according to a report from a local South Korean publication that was published by the Cointelegraph. This indicates a preference for altcoins, specifically Ripple's XRP. The report highlights that approximately 82.5% of Gen Z investors in South Korea have invested in altcoins, excluding Ethereum, which is surprising to me. On the other hand, young people are looking for alts that have potential for 100x or 1000x, and we know that large caps don't have a chance at such massive spikes, but XRP? How is this the most sought after altcoin is surprising to me. The coin has suffered immensely from the SEC court case in recent years, so while it has a potential to recover once the bull market resumes and if they win the SEC appeal, but I just think the risk is still there. There is a lot of uncertainty around the court case as the appeal is in its early stage, so I wouldn't hold it for the long term right now, would you? Well, let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know if you're holding XRP or planning to hold. What's your take on it? Keep your crypto safe with the best cold storage on the market. Keystone Wallet, air-gapped device with top-tier security. Alright, well, this wraps up today's episode, guys. Let me know in the comments if you want more news like this so I can give you more relevant content, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics, drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description where I drop the links to all of the crypto services that I use and that I recommend to you. I also have 2 free ebooks in there, and I recently updated my Learn Crypto ebook, which I will link very soon. The 3rd edition is packed with new information and more chapters, so if you're new to crypto and looking for some guidance, this is going to help you immensely. This is all for today. Make sure that you are following my posts and this channel so you never miss an episode. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'm gonna see you there.